Hello dear student, how are you today? Today in Unit 1, Lesson 4, we are going to talk about another tense in English language, which is present perfect continuous. Use of present perfect continuous. We use the present perfect continuous to emphasize continuing actions up to and often into the present. Look at this example. Asian immigrant numbers have been increasing steadily. And also, we often use this tense to show that the time has been too long. Look at this example. I have been waiting to get my luggage for hours, and I am still waiting now. And what are the forms of present perfect continuous? We start from the positive form. Look, this is the positive form of present perfect continuous. We have subject at the beginning, and then we have has and have. After them, we have been plus verb ing. It means we use the ing form of the verb. Look at these examples. The first one, they have been living here for nearly 2 months. Look, after have, we have been verb ing, which is been living. He has been walking with his doggies all day. Richard's car has been breaking down. What about the negative form of present perfect continuous? We just add note to the verb to have, which is has and have. And they became has not or have not. And also we can use the contraction form of them. You can say hasn't and haven't, and then we have been plus verb ing. I haven't been cleaning my room. She hasn't been working all afternoon. He hasn't been eating sandwich. And this is the question form of present perfect continuous. We put the verb to have, which is has and have, at the beginning or at the initial of the sentence, and then we have subject, and then we have been plus verb ing, and at the end we have question mark. Look at this example. Have they been traveling by plane? We have here at the beginning because it is the question form, and then we have subject. After that we have been plus verb ing, which is been traveling. It means in present perfect continuous we cannot say traveled or travelers, or we use the base form of the verb. We have to use the ing form of the verb, which is traveling, been traveling. Has he been writing a letter to his friend? Have you been studying English? And also you can use the WS question words here, and we put them at the beginning before has and have. We can say, where have you been studying English? Or when have you been studying English? And also we can say, how or why have you been studying English? Here we have some adverbs. These adverbs for hours, for days, now, for ages, for nearly 2 hours, ever since, all day, for 4 years, how long, the whole week, for the past months, last few years. I use it with present perfect continuous. Look at these examples. I have been waiting to get my luggage for hours. And they have been burning for days now. The scientists have been warning us about global warming for ages. The summary. We use the present perfect continuous to emphasize continuing actions up to and often into the present. This is the general rule of present perfect continuous. We have subject, and then we have has and have after, and then we have been plus verb ing. We have examples. This is the positive example. He has been painting the room. We can negate it by adding not to has. We say he hasn't been painting the room. And this is the question one. We put has at the beginning. We say has he been painting the room? And the last one is the WH question, with we say how has he been painting the room, and we can say when has he painting the room. That's all. Thanks for your listening and watching.